Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Happy Monday morning. I know a lot of you still wish it was the weekend, so do I. But I worked all weekend for the most part, so every day's the same for me. But here's what we got coming up. I'm going to turn the camera around right now. All right. So we got this bar here going to Barnegat, New Jersey tomorrow. Daniel's actually just cleaning down the bar top. I'd like to give away free sawdust, but I think we're going to clean this one. And so this gets delivered tomorrow, so we're actually getting ready to load the trailer up with this bar, the footrest, the beer, all the stuff, tools, and the roof. I think the roof's already in there. And then the following Tuesday, this one goes to Highland, Maryland. And we're going to seal the... start to seal this one today. The bar's already done. It's just the bar top that needs to be sealed. And then this will be ready for us for next Tuesday. So, and then we have a bunch of rethatches we're getting to, and I already sent a video to all my customers who are waiting on a rethatch. So they all know when we're going to be doing that, which is after the second delivery. And then after that, we're going to be in Sparta, New Jersey for another big tiki bar install. Bigger than this one. Might have to do it in pieces. Not sure how I'm going to design it yet, but that's what we got going on. So we will see you probably out in Barnegat on LBI in New Jersey tomorrow. So stay tuned. If you like my content, please like, follow, and share. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys. Well, we made it to Barnegat, New Jersey. Actually, we left at 6, and it was actually a very smooth ride. It only took about an hour 45. Let me show you guys what we got going on here. I can't see a thing because the sun's right in my face. Hopefully it's not pointed at me. But the bar's going to go right there. And we are a man down. Shay didn't show up again for the 9th time in his 8th week working for me, so he's fired. But we left at 6, got here at 7:45, so we hit 0 traffic coming down here. I imagine if it was a weekend, we'd still be driving. But this is our office for today. All right, well, I'll make another video shortly, and as I always do, I'll put them all together. All right. From Barnegat until the next video, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys, well, welcome back to Barnegat. We are done. I'm going to turn the camera around and just watch out when I... There's Walt. Shayless. We are Shayless. Shay has been fired. And there's Vinny. Vinny, what do you think?
Another great job by Tiki Kev.
All right, see that? I get him on video every time saying that. All right, guys, we are done. I'm going to show you around. This is the bar you guys have been watching me build in the shop for... I'm not going to tell Vinny it only took me a day to build this. But there it is. 6x8 with an 8x10 synthetic thatched roof from Endure Reed. And we are... is this a canal? What's this called here?
A lagoon.
A lagoon? Yeah. Does it have a name or... No?
They're usually just based off the street of the... Yeah,
name of the street? Okay, well, this was our office, guys, today. And the 93 degrees didn't seem as hot as I thought it was going to be being up there today. We got done quick, didn't we?
Yesterday was
Daniel.
so much more windy.
We had a little breeze up there today. It wasn't bad. So, all right, guys, let's see who did this. That's right, Tiki Kev, Tiki Kev. All right, so this one has a beer meister in it. As seen, a lot of the other ones had fridges. Well, then he ordered a nice beer meister. So we got that all set up and hooked up for him. It's got the rope lighting, the shelving, and we wired it for a ceiling fan whenever they want to do that, plus a TV. Oh, we can't forget the Tiki Kev coasters. They're upside down. It's cool. All right. So if you guys like my content, please like, follow, and share. All right. So from Barnegat, New Jersey, Vinny, Daniel, and Walt, and not the Shay.
Yeah, we don't know where Shay is.
The Nega Shay.
Maybe you do know where he is.
He never showed up for work today. He knew if he was late one more time, he was fired. A Shakeation, that's where he's at. Shakeation. All right, one more shot of the lagoon, and we'll see you guys back at the shop. So from Barnegat, New Jersey, Tiki Kev out.